This is Wallow Crypt, the Gamer's Base, and today I'll be teaching you how to fix the VS Code update error on your Linux. Are you getting the temporary failure resolving error when you're trying to update your VS Code on Linux? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to bypass the broken hacked repository and first update Visual Studio Code using the terminal in under 2 minutes. The direct download method works perfectly on Chrome OS Linux, Ubuntu, Debian systems, and it will safely overwrite the core files without deleting your extension, custom themes, or Python environments. The commands used in this video is in the video description below. So here we'll go to the terminal and you type in the command prompt. So here you put in the command prompt and you watch while this downloads and gets in the latest updates. Eventually, after it is downloaded, you get a successful running code and successful running code prompt showing that your VS Code has been downloaded and is running safely and smoothly. This ensures a smoothly running VS Code without laggy flaws, and you get a prompt like this at the end of the installation. Thank you.